What's up everybody, this is Jack from Crypto49er bringing you my knowledge in cryptocurrency. So today I want to talk about Fibonacci extensions. Yesterday I talked about Fibonacci retracements, so today I have to continue on and that's Fibonacci extensions. Alright, but before I do, I just want to remind you guys I am giving away $5 in Litecoin or $10 on Cryptobridge. The giveaway happens on Friday, but make sure you guys watch Wednesday's video for the trivia question you have to answer in order to participate in the giveaway. And you have to answer on Twitter this week. So good luck, everybody. Alright, on to Fibonacci extensions. So this is lesson 9 on Philakone's 24 lesson series. It's a really long journey, but hopefully I will get a lot of knowledge about technical analysis from this. And I feel I do, although overall I have to say this particular lesson wasn't as easy to understand. I mean, the basics is, but then once he dived a little deeper, even he, towards the very end, maybe he realized that he didn't have enough time perhaps, so he was urging his viewers to watch it over again. So I might have to do that, but right now I just want to give you guys what I have learned thus far. The idea of the Fibonacci extension is to use wave 1 of Elliot Wave as a guideline and then find out when you can take profit. You want to use wave 1, the length of it, as a guideline again, and then what happened is wave 3, the next motive wave, the normal target is 1.00, meaning it should be as long as wave 1. But that's a guideline, so this isn't a rule and it can be broken often. But the rule is this: if wave 3 hits 1.0, wave 3 does hit 1.00 fib extension, then wave 5 can hit 1.618 extension. Before I go a little more deeper into explaining the extension part, let's go into the chart. Let's go into TradingView to show you guys how it looks like. So right now I plotted out 5 particular points of how I would plot out Elliot Wave. If you guys are getting lost already and have no idea what I'm talking about, you definitely should watch yesterday's video regarding Fibonacci retracements. But the idea here is, instead of drawing the Elliot Wave, I'm just going to plot out the points of the wave. But instead of drawing out the Elliot Wave, I'm going to use this tool right here called the trend-based fib extension. You can find it over here as well on the toolbar. It's all underneath all the Fibonacci related stuff, so it should be right over here, and I favorited it, so that's why it shows up on my favorites bar right here. But anyway, I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to draw like I do with the Elliot Wave. Click on one part, and then click on the top of that wick right here, and then you see all these numbers pulling up in here. I could just draw over here, but I don't really want to. I want to see it. I want to see it fan out these lines here, so that I can see how it looks like. So I'm going to go a little deeper. Perfect. As you can see right here, wave 1 went all the way up here, and the idea is we don't really know where wave 3 is, because you can't using this as a way to take profit and to predict. Essentially, if it's a bull market right now, you kind of try to predict when you can take profit. So you want to use the extension tool to extend out and see when you can take profit. So the idea is you use wave 1 as a guideline, and you expect wave 3 to hit 1 as well. In this case, it got very close. It didn't quite do it. But the idea is if it did hit 1, you definitely should expect wave 5 to hit 1.618. In this case, it exceeded it by a lot, but it doesn't always happen in this case. So let's go back here. So what he had pointed out was, if wave 2 retraced a lot at 618, and in this case it did retrace a lot. So you look at it. Actually, let me go to the graphs I have set up here. So again, same chart that I was playing with earlier, but this time I just took screenshots of it previously to show you guys what it looks like. So first thing you do was actually you can do a fib retracement. So the fib retracement will show you that from wave 1 to wave 2 fell to the 618 mark. From yesterday's video, you guys should remember that if wave 2 retraced a lot, wave 4 will not retrace as much. So wave 2 retraced a lot to 618, which it did in this case. Therefore, wave 4 should retrace less than 618, possibly up to the top of wave 1. So again, so you see wave 4. So this is wave 3 to wave 4. I don't actually have the Elliot Wave drawn out here. But if you could imagine a line coming down to here, you can see that it retraced a lot less than wave 2 did, and it did not, and it probably touch wave 1. It didn't really actually it didn't actually go below wave 1 as was discussed in yesterday's video. The step 2 is for wave 3 going up, let's use a general target of 1-to-1 fib extension. If wave 3 hits 1-to-1 fib extension, then wave 5 can possibly hit 1618 of wave 1. So in this case, wave 3 got really close to 1-to-1 Fibonacci extension. That's why wave 5 can possibly hit 1618. In this case, it went beyond it, but it doesn't always work that way. A lot of times, according to Philakone, you want to actually take profits at a little more conservative side. You want to he draws a green box around here, and you want to start taking profit around that range. Just make sure that in case wave 5 doesn't hit the 1618 extension, you're still taking profits. And the other thing he does is, once it goes up that much, the next thing he expects is for a dip to happen. Again, you have to remember, in yesterday's video we talked about, instead of drawing just the Fibonacci retracement for wave 5, you draw the Fibonacci retracement for the whole entire thing from wave 1 to wave 5, and then you can then draw a box around here in this case. So you're expecting short at this point, so you want to short from this point on, so at wave 5. And you want to draw a green box around here. This is where you want to close out your short position. What he does is he slides that box over to the future, so we can see what happens. Once it hit the 5th wave, actually in this case it actually went up a little bit more. I probably didn't do a very good job drawing out the Elliot Wave for this particular example, but the point being, it actually did fell a lot after that. So you see that one day fell and it fell all the way down to here. This is where he'll be closing the short position. So that's how he's able to profit both on the up and the down, and that's very important. There's another scenario covered by Philakone, and then he explains it this way. If wave 3 highly exceeds the 1-to-1 ratio, it can possibly reach 1.618. So again, in this case, wave 1 is here, and then wave 2 to wave 3 is this is wave 3. Wave 3 hit 1.0 Fibonacci extension. But imagine wave 3 was up here. It went all the way up there. Imagine that happened. Then in that case, there are two possible cases that can happen. Wave 5 can reach 2.618 of the 1-to fib extension. So wave 5 can really rock it. If that was the case, it will go all the way up there, way beyond this screenshot here. That's one possible case. The other possible case is wave 5 can reach a 1-to-1 of the 3/4 fib extension. So in that case, it still wouldn't go as high, but it still would go pretty high because the 3/4 extension would be from here to there. So like imagine wave 3 going all the way up to 1.618. That's still a pretty good jump. So again, I have to say Fibonacci extension is a little bit harder to understand than Fibonacci retracements, but not so much to understand it, just really because it is in a way to use it to predict the future. I might try to watch this video a few more times, and maybe I'll also try to find other videos as well regarding Fibonacci extension. And if I'm able to find new information about it, I'll definitely make a new video for you guys about it. But for right now, this is pretty much what I have learned about Fibonacci extension. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Smash the like button for me, please. Thank you very much for doing that. And smash the subscribe button for me if you're new to my channel. I appreciate that as well. If it isn't crypto, it isn't worth mining, it isn't worth speculating. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.